Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can design your Instagram post on a CapCut web version. All you have to do now, you can open CapCut.com and try to sign in with your account. If you don't have, please sign up. You can register in order to use this feature. So let's start by click on Instagram post. Under the start page, you can click it. So here you can try to use this template, for example, to design your advertise on Instagram posts, like food. If you sell online food, you can try use this a template, and also you can use this company profile template. Or here you can use a such as beach club or tourism advertise on your Instagram. Or if you sell furniture or interior design, you can use this template. Even you can try change the font style, change the text itself, or change the picture or image by yourself in here. So feel free to try to design your Instagram posts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.